No sign of a queen up here.
None?
No. No brood.
I don't like the way they're acting.
It's not an ideal time to be doing it.